Today I'm checking out this tankless water heater descaler kit. So let's go ahead and take this thing out of the box to see what it all comes with. So there's quite a bit in the box. When you open it up, you're going to get this bucket, and inside the bucket is going to be all this other stuff. So what you have here is you have the bucket, a manual for the kit, and then a manual for the pump. This is the lid of the bucket, and then that little tool there is to help you take the lid of the bucket off. There's a hot and cold water hose connectors. Of course, you got the pump over there, and then you've got a bunch of different adapters right here and some nylon string. So this is pretty much everything you need to do descaling on your tankless water heater. You will need descaling solution. It doesn't come with that if you're wanting to do it that way. So you'll need to get your own descaler. But this is everything you need to flush that hot water heater and also run the descaler solution through it. So we're going to try it. All right, so I'm out here in the garage now. I've got the bucket, I got water in there with the solution, and then here's the pump, and it has the hoses hooked up. Now, these are the two hoses it came with. I have to use these adapters for this hot water heater because it's got some non-standard fittings here, but these are regular water hose thread fittings, and they should fit up to any normal household type of hot water heater that you would have. But like I said, these are different style endings there. But we are ready now to run this pump and send the solution through. So basically what's going to happen is this pump is going to pull from the bottom. It sucks up into the pump. So that's going to be pulling out of the bucket. Drop the pump in the bucket, and then the solution is going to go through the hoses. It's going to go in the cold port and out the hot port. And then, run it as long as the directions say on your solution, but I'm going to go ahead and put this in there and turn it on. All right, as you can see here, water's coming out the hose, and it's sucking water up through the bucket, and it's spitting it back out of the hose, and it is flushing through the hot water heater right now. And I'm just showing you that it's running, but I'm just going to go ahead and put this hose down into the water like this, where it won't spill out. And then you just let it run. And once you're done, you just unplug the pump and drain the solution out. And I'm going to go and flush it with clean water without any kind of solution in it after all of this is done. But that's it. So a great kit to descale your hot water heater and keep it maintenance. All right, well, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.